Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find a formula for the inverse of the function f of x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 2 plus 3x. So the way we find this function is where we see f of x, we replace it with x. And where we see x, we replace it with the inverse of x. And by swapping the variables, we now have an equation which is going to give us, when we solve for f inverse of x, the inverse function. So now we just have to solve for f inverse of x, subtracting 1 from both sides. Now we just have this square root, so we can square both sides. This squared becomes x squared minus 2x plus 1, and the square root of anything squared is just the thing itself. We can subtract 2 to get this 3 f inverse of x term on its own. And now we just have to divide by 3. This cancels and we get the inverse of f, the inverse of the original function, is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 1 over 3.